So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick little demonstration on how to actually customize your Qashqai. Just start out real quick. You actually get power driver seat, 6-way power with power lumbar. Steering wheel's tilt. Here's a little lever, you just pull the lever. It's tilt and telescopic. So you should be able to find a pretty comfortable position regardless of how tall you are. Power mirrors obviously on this side. And then you have the awesome interface, so the connectivity aspect of it. I'll go over that a little bit with you as well. So to just turn it on. So up here we actually get a 7-inch touchscreen with a ton of options in it. You get satellite radio, AM, FM, CD, auxiliary, navigation, and I'll show you a few of those things. Some of the other awesome, I'll even show you how easy it is to actually connect your phone, and then how to use Siri's Eyes Free, and maybe even a little bit of the voice recognition system for the navigation. So screen lights up, it's a nice soft blue. If you want to get to the navigation, you just simply hit navigation. You can also view your map. This little button here is actually really kind of neat. So it's a camera button. So if you want to see, this vehicle is actually equipped with Nissan's round view camera. This comes in really handy if you're at Tim Hortons or something, you want to be able to see where the pole is or how close you are to the car in front of you. And the round view camera, quick button, also gives you a curbside view as well. You'll be able to see so you don't scratch up these beautiful 19-inch wheels that come along with it. And then you can go to apps. So if you go into apps, this is actually where you're going to be able to set up your phone. You just simply push the settings button, and then you can go to phone and Bluetooth, connect a new device, go to your phone, settings, Bluetooth, pick my car, hit pair, license iPhone connected. It's that simple, took no time at all. Once your phone's connected, if you have music on your phone, like I do, if you want to be able to listen to the playlist, you just push and hold the button. Siri will actually pop up as well. Play playlist demo tunes.
Playlist demo tunes now playing.
So it's very easy, it's very quick. You can ask Siri to do all kinds of things, read your text messages, a couple other different things as well. Some of the other cool technologies that are available in this are text message assist. So it'll help you send a text message if you want. Phone, of course, is got to be compatible as well. So that's a simple little demonstration on how easy, one, it is to hook up your phone, two, how to use Siri Eyes Free, which is available in it. And you can simply turn up the radio as well as my songs are playing. If you want to switch songs, you can do it right from the steering wheel, or you can do it from over here. And just keep switching through the songs, next song, next song, next song. If you want to see what you're actually listening to, you can do that as simply just hit the aux button, and then it'll show you what you're listening to. A few other things that you can customize as well. In front of you, you do have a driver information screen. Right now it's up to tell me that we're inside, so it's 19 degrees in here today. It's 3:01 in the afternoon. I got 74 kilometers to empty, and there's 2 kilometers on this particular vehicle, and it's in park, and we're pointing southwest at the moment. The buttons here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, right beside the volume up and down for your stereo system, is how you would navigate this. So if you just choose either right or left, in this case we'll go right, it'll let you know if you want your nav on there and you want your songs to play on here so you can see what you're listening to, you can do that. You can separate the two. That'll let you know what systems are in play. There's your safety shield, tire pressures, no warnings, and you have a list of other things. So this is where you can also even get more connectivity and set it up directly for yourself. In here, the driver assist, you can turn driver aids. You can turn driving aids on or off. Things like emergency braking, lane departure, and blind spot warning, which are available in this vehicle. Next step down, you're going to have your clock, your meter, your vehicle settings, how long you want the lights to stay on when you get out of the car. Do you want the horn to beep when you lock the car? Or you don't want it to beep when you lock the car? A bunch of stuff. So you can spend quite a bit of time going through here. I'm not going to go through everything with you. If you go to the next screen, it tells you your average speed. Obviously 0 kilometers an hour, fuel economy, and again, the compass. Also on the entertainment screen, you also have a few other things. So your apps, so voice command, settings, Nissan Connect services, my apps, and Sirius XM traffic. Another really cool feature is I like this. This is one of my favorites actually. Besides the dual zone climate control, which is set up in here, you actually have the auto. Auto is typically the way, I like it 21 degrees. I don't know why, but I do. So I just set it to 21 degrees, hit auto. The car itself will adjust the temperature, adjust the fan speed, and always keep the car at around 21 degrees. If it fluctuates a little bit, it turns the heat up. If it gets a little hot, it turns the aircon on. It's awesome. It just makes things really comfortable. So I'm kind of gonna wrap it up there. So just a short little preview of some of the awesome things that you can do in your Qashqai and some of the cool technologies that go along with it.